Welcome to Papa Steve's Recipes. This channel is me cooking simple, easy recipes and telling a few stories. Today we're going to have lentil soup, which is a real easy one-pan meal, very budget friendly. And I got a story about the beginning of my tremendous baseball career. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, we've got all our ingredients set up here to go. Listen, I'll put the recipe with the ingredient amounts in the description. Then you can just copy and paste it at your convenience. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is put just a little butter in here. Not too much, about that much right there. Let's move that aside. And next, better put this on about medium. That pot there. Put a little oil in there, not too much. I like to use, maybe a little more than that. I like to use avocado oil, but you use whatever oil works for you. Now I've chopped up these carrots here. We're going to put them in there. Put that aside. Then I've got this fresh spinach. Now we're going to load it up pretty good. I don't know if you've ever cooked fresh spinach, but you know that it really cooks down. And I know that looks like a lot of spinach, but you'll see it won't be that much. You know, pick out, make sure there's no bad ones in there. All right, now we're going to close that up, put that aside. Take the tongs here and kind of get everything coated real good. Get that butter, that oil. We're just going to kind of saute these carrots and this spinach. Get it cooked down real good. Make sure it's all, I got about medium heat. Put that there, we're just gonna cover that. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and put in a little salt, not too much. A little pepper, you know, to taste. And we'll go ahead and add a little garlic. I like to use this minced garlic, already minced up. Of course, a lot of you like to just do the fresh garlic. You know, just do whatever works for you. That's about enough garlic. You know, cooking is an art. And you need to make it how you want to make it. You know, like if you're painting a picture and you want your trees to be purple, paint them purple. Life is short. It's getting shorter every day. You need to do you your way. Anyway, that's what I think. My opinion anyway. Now, we're going to put that on there on about medium-high heat and let that saute. All right, let me tell you about the beginning of my big baseball career. So I'm about 7, maybe 8 years old. We were living in England, and my dad got transferred, he was in the military, to Las Vegas, Nevada, Nellis Air Force Base, home of the Thunderbirds, actually. So we get there, now I'm a new kid on the block in the neighborhood. I need to make friends. And they had a little sign-up sheet for Little League Baseball. I thought, that's a good idea right there. Of course, I don't know anything about baseball. Had never thrown a baseball, never watched a baseball game. My parents weren't exactly into sports. But I thought it was a good idea to, get to know the neighborhood kids. So I sign up, Little League, and we go to practice. So we find out pretty soon that I'm not the greatest fielder, okay? I can't really catch or throw the ball. I really never done it before. So I'm just kind of faking it. When we did start playing games, they put me way out in left field. I used to please don't hit the ball at me. Please don't hit the ball at me. However, I could hit that ball. I had pretty good eye-hand coordination, and I was a big guy then. I've always been a big guy. And had some pretty good coaching. He kind of taught me how to, when I was coming around, how to put my weight into that, how to make that work. And so when I did make connection, it really went out there. And I was definitely the best hitter on the team. So comes first game. Never played my first game ever. Now before the game, they get you lined out who's the batting order. You got, who's coming up first, second, third, and fourth. Now in baseball, the fourth hitter is the best hitter on the team, and they call that the cleanup position. Of course, I don't know that. So he says, okay, Steve, you're going to be clean up the bases, all right? And I'm thinking, how come I got to clean up the bases? I mean, I thought he meant I actually had to go clean the bases. Oh, man. So we go play the game. And after, I don't remember at all how the game went, but after the game, I'm thinking, okay, what do I got to do? I mean, do I go out and just clean them while they're there? Do I pick them up and take them somewhere? I mean, in my mind, I'm toiling over this. What do I do? I want to, be good, obey the rules. So, but pretty soon, the coach says, hey, Steve, come on, let's go get snow cones, all right? And I'm like, yeah, let's go get snow cones. Maybe he changed his mind or forgot about it altogether. Yeah, let's go get snow cones. Anyways, that was the beginning of my big baseball career. Being baseball season made me think of that. Of course, Texas Rangers, defending World Series champions. Been a long time. Finally, they won a World Series, so I'll be paying attention to that. Anyway, thanks for listening. Let's see how that spinach and carrots are going. What do you say? All right. Woo, that's coming along. Look at that. Let's take a look at it. We'll get you a little close up. That's nice. See how that spinach really cooked down there? That's just about the right. That's good. Ooh, it smells good too. All that garlic in there. What do we do now? Now I'm just making a small soup, not a big one. But I'll have in the description, I'll get the recipe for a full batch here. But it's just me and my wife, and this will be plenty for us. So I got one 32-ounce container of vegetable broth. You can use chicken broth if you like, but I like to use vegetable broth, which of course makes this a vegetarian meal. Actually, if you got vegetarians or vegans in your family, this works for them. We have a couple. I always like to try and accommodate. Everybody gets to do it their way. So we'll get that in there. Put that aside. Oh yeah, we want to fire that up on high. We want to get that boiling good. And what next? Well, really next, we wait for that to get boiling, and then we're going to add these lentils here. And guess what? That's it. That's all there is to cooking this. And we'll get that going. All right. Come on, broth. Get to boiling. All right. That's boiling good. Let's put those lentils in there. Like that. Give that a little stir. Get the spinach off there. Cover it. Put it on about medium. And we're going to let that cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll come back and check on it. Hang tight. We'll see you then. All right, let's see how that soup's coming along. Let's take the lid off here. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That's looking good right there. Now, that's, quite a bit of spinach. You might want more or less. I like a lot of spinach in mine. And again, this is really a half recipe. It's just me and my wife. This will do us plenty good. But in the directions, description, that's what I'm trying to spit out. In the description, I'll have the recipe for a full meal you can feed, family of 4, easy. And let's put it in this bowl here, see how it looks. There we go, nice and soup. Got plenty of lentils, plenty of spinach. Like I said, maybe a little much spinach, but I like it with a lot of spinach. Let's put let's make a nice bowl of it there. Oh yeah, what do you think? That looks pretty good. Now this goes really good with cornbread. And for you salad people, it goes pretty good with a side salad on it. Easy, very inexpensive to make, and very nutritious. Also, this is all if you got a vegan or vegetarian in your household. This is perfect for them. They'll love that. So, thanks for watching. I sure appreciate it. Until next time, please be kind whenever possible. Adios.